While Pixel Fold pre-orders are still available before the phone's official June 27 release, Google unveiled its first folding phone earlier this month at I/O. The device was inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold series. The fact that Google's online store in the USA now looks to be sold out suggests that Pixel Fold buyers in that country have outperformed Google's expectations. The fact that Google is involved here rather than Samsung suggests that Google may not have had enough devices ready for the pre-order period, but it's also likely that consumers are becoming more open to the notion of foldable phones. Additionally, the business could replenish before June 27. But as of the time this video was being created, the Add to Cart button on the store's eShop is grayed out. Those who have pre-ordered the Pixel tablet and Pixel Fold received emails from the Google Store today. The message on your order explains that the note is just the Google Store checking in to let you know your purchase is still being completed. The former is anticipated to be available on June 20th, while the latter has a release date of June 27. Hoover wants to draw attention to the fact that since their orders for the tablet and foldable phone have not yet delivered, customers who pre-ordered them have not yet been charged. A temporary charge for the price of the purchased gadget may appear on a customer's credit card when they pre-order the Pixel tablet, Pixel Fold, or both. These charges will eventually disappear from the account until the pre-ordered item ships. When that occurs, the customer's credit card is charged. However, as of right now, individuals who pre-ordered the Pixel tablet and Pixel Fold have likely seen temporary charges placed on their cards and are astonished and frightened to see those payments vanish. It doesn't, however, imply that your order has been cancelled. Whoville wants you to know that all you have to do is visit the Google Store order history page and double-check that your order is accurately listed. If you're having second thoughts about purchasing the Pixel tablet or the Pixel Fold, you can still cancel the order without incurring any fees as long as it has not yet been prepared to ship. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.